So we are on part 2 of organizing this. Hopefully we'll get all of this done. I am not worrying about down below because that's a disaster zone. And I don't have the mental energy to deal with it. So you are wonderful. Thank you for joining me. And don't forget to like and subscribe. That helps me a lot. Thanks. Let's get to it. Okay. So I have these to put in here so I can put my little stuff like this kind of stuff, which is, these are earring backs. You need to use that. One right here, one right here. I'm leaving this right now, and we are going to move this. And I'll put it on my table for right now. That has Christmas stuff in it for my kids. They don't think they're getting any Christmas. Oh look, that barely fits. How awesome is that? I think I got these at Target. I can't remember. So I'm going to build one box of everything I have. That way I have it as a sample, so I know when I'm putting my stuff up, what is going to go in what. Right up in here. Put that aside. I'm missing boxes. I'm not sure where they are, but that's okay. The whole thing of here. I might have to clean down here. Oh, I don't know. Do I think bags of some sort. Yeah. Okay. These are for packing. These are for, you need to separate packing, junk journal supplies. forgot I had these. Not sure what I'm going to use them for, but okay. Look at here. Okay. Forgot I had these. These are going to be going up in my shop, which will be soon. I switched who I went through. I used to go through Shopify, and I am learning Shopify is not a learning disability friendly. So I kind of got rid of Shopify because they're not learning disability friendly. They are too hard to understand. Okay, I think I'm going to have to attack down below. Put these up here for right now. And then the rest of this stuff can go down here when I got it. So let me move the camera so you can join me in this disaster zone. Yeah, it's really bad. Hopefully y'all can see this mess. So like, let me move you back a little. Maybe that will help. Oh, there we go. That's a little better. I have my tripod on the smallest thing possible. And this is my mess down here. Some of it is boxes, some of it is organized, and some of it is just pure disaster because the cats get in here and play. So let's figure out which is which. I have piles everywhere from it, which is fine. That is gonna need to be needed. So yesterday, this box right here is all fabric. And yes, I realize I have a fabric problem. Big time. And paper. Fabric and paper, man. This is going to stay down here because I really do go through that. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this. This won't work on what I have, but maybe it'll work for my daughter. And I should send it to her, bring it out to her. Okay, best musical ever. Saw it like 3 times already. Once in New York, and twice out in my hometown. Okay. Now this is a mess. This I have to take care of. I was making stickers and it didn't work. My other laminator this works for, not this one. So I literally have to untie it. So we're just going to throw that over there. Oh, your trash. And your trash. Oh, you're an empty box. I don't know. Oh, it looks like the cats are going to come and play. Tons of paint I'm going to need. Alright. Oh, look at. Okay, this is a fun box. I think where those little things are. Look at all those cute little things in there. This is filled with a lot of yummy little stuff to make shaker keychains. So fun. Guess I didn't need to buy more of these. I'll put those over there because that's going for a... Oh, wow. There's a lot of crap over here. Sorry, am I allowed to say crap? I don't know. Okay. What are you? Yes, yes, yes. Hello, hair bows. and I'm not sure what I'm going to do. Okay, so I have my big box and my little boxes. And I think for right now we're just going to leave them in here and pile them against the wall. And if I need them, I'll dig them out if I get to that point. So, and these that you don't need, they're just clear plastic. We throw those down there too. Okay, so we got down there done. I just need to finish building these boxes and reorganizing this top. Okay, let's go under the bottom and show what I did. This looks so much better. We have my bulk of fabric right there that I like, and I do need to take care of this stuff on top. I just don't have the energy right now. The two boxes, they're filler boxes. This is envelopes I use for journals, and then there's hair stuff and mixed media stuff. And then up here, sorry, we have the far end, that is a binding machine that's a little different than my crocodile. And then I have all of extra packaging and the different size packaging, so I can add those in and figure out all that, what can go in what. Up here, it's pretty clean, thank goodness. I'm gonna have my computer right here, somewhere on here. And then up in here, I have all my different size of pack bags to pack stuff in, and then all my different packing supplies. I hope this is helpful. I'll keep you up to date on how this works. I really don't get a whole lot of orders at the moment, but with this new change in website, I hope I will in the future. Thank you for joining me. And again, don't forget you are loved. Bye.